Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is a really exciting video. Today's video is a giveaway. I'm so excited. I have been meaning to do a giveaway since January, and I'm a little late, but I am just really excited to give back to my community. Honestly, I really wish that I could do giveaways more often, but for right now, I hope you guys really enjoy what I have to offer you today. So let's just jump right into it. Make sure you subscribe because you got to be a subscriber to get the giveaway. But let's just jump into it. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm giving away. So the first thing that I'm giving away is actually something that I myself use. We have 3 of them in total, and I am giving away a Roku Express. I think that you guys will really like this. I try my hardest to give away things that a large portion of my subscribers will be able to use. Although I really enjoy makeup, I hesitate to give away makeup because I know that not everybody wears makeup or not everybody likes it, but I really think that the Roku, everyone or most everyone will really enjoy it. Like I said, we have 3 in our house. We have 1 in our bedroom, we have a Roku Smart TV in our living room, and then I have a Roku downstairs as well. And I really enjoy it. I think it's I actually like it better than the Fire Stick. I like the interface of the Roku much more. So a Roku is a streaming device. If you did not know what it is a comparable to a Fire Stick. Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Sling, HBO Now, Showtime, YouTube, all the news channels. Evelyn loves it. Nick Jr. app is really good on Roku. We have the PBS Kids app on Roku. We love the Roku, and I am so excited to give it to you guys, and I hope you guys really enjoy it as well. So this is something that it was hard for me. I was going to keep it myself, I'm not going to lie, but I stayed strong and I'm giving it to you guys. This adorable little mug, it says hello on it, and it is polka dotted, and I just think that this is an amazing, so cute, like coffee mug or tea mug. I think it's really cute, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, whoever gets this, you have to tag me on Instagram if you do have an Instagram. If you have an Instagram or a Twitter or any type of social media, you have to tag me and you have to take a picture. I want to see you guys drinking out of this. I just think it's so cute, and I hope you guys like it. Next up is also something that I think you guys will like. It is a dish towel, and I bought this. Giving the timing of this giveaway, I thought it was really cute for the warmer weather and for springtime going into summer, and it's just this cute embroidered pineapple with some flowers, and who's excited for summer? So I have 2 more things for you. I do want to gift you guys the Love Home and Planet All-Purpose Cleaner. This is in the scent Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower. Most of my subscribers are here for my cleaning videos, and this has been a staple in my cleaning closet for a good while, probably since the holidays. I've mentioned it a few times on my channel. I really love this brand of cleaners, the Love Home and Planet. I think that they are just so perfectly fragrant. They are not so overpowering, but they do just have a really nice smell to them that lingers just for the right amount of time. And I just love them. They're pretty much a staple as far as our all-purpose cleaners go in my house. So I want to give this one to you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. So this is the last thing that I have to give to you guys. Like I said, I know it's a smaller giveaway. I really want to do more giveaways on my channel, but I have to be responsible. So the next thing, or the last thing that I have, is a new Bath & Body Works candle. It's in the scent Sun Washed Petals. Again, giving the timing of this giveaway, I thought this was the perfect scent for the warmer weather. It is a beautiful floral scent, and I just think that this is going to be perfect just to kind of throw the windows open and light this candle and invite the warmer weather in. I'm very excited that the summer is here. I thought this was really pretty, kind of like the marbled purple and pink. I thought that it was just a really pretty candle, and I love the smell, and I hope you guys do too. So guys, that is all I have for my giveaway. Like I said, I know it's a smaller giveaway, and I wish I could give more, but I tried my hardest to get things that a wide variety of people would enjoy. Like I said, I hesitate to give away like makeup or clothing or something that not everyone's going to be able to love and use. And I really feel like these products, everyone is going, a wide variety. Most people are going to enjoy them. And I think that they are true to my channel as well. That's why I had to include an all-purpose cleaner, a Bath & Body Works candle. And the Roku is actually, like I said, something that we use. We have 3 of them in our house, and I can tell you that they are awesome. We love them. So I hope you guys love everything. Seriously, like, it means so much to me that people take time out of their day to watch my videos. So I wanted to give you guys something that is authentic to me and that you guys see me using a lot. Because I think that that's important. So here are the rules for the giveaway. This giveaway is open, international. You must be a subscriber on my channel or to my channel, and your subscription must be public so I can check. And as well, the only thing you need to do is leave a comment down below telling me how you found me and how long you've been watching my channel. And that's it. Those are the only rules. Just one comment down below, and make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that your subscriptions are public so I can check. And that's it. That's all you have to do. I'm really excited. I'll have all the rules listed down below in my description box. This video is going to go from 7 days, 1 week. It's going to be 1 week. I'm going to have it popped up on the screen because I don't know the date off the top of my head, but from the time this video goes up, it'll be 7 days from that video. So I will have it linked on the screen when the giveaway ends. But yeah, so I'll have everything linked in the description box, all of the rules and stuff like that down below, so you can check them out. And lastly, guys, I just want to leave you with a big thank you. I don't think enough YouTubers thank their subscribers enough, to be honest. And although I have to put in the work to be a YouTuber and to be a content creator, you guys directly affect me and my family. You guys decide how much money I make every month, you know? Like, yeah, there are sponsorships and stuff like that, but as far as like a steady stream of income, you guys decide how much money I make each month. And by doing that, you directly impact me and you directly impact my family. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video or for watching any of my videos. I really appreciate it, and it really does mean a lot to me and to my family that I can stay home and I contribute to, I can also contribute financially, but I can contribute in like a homemaker sense, like cooking and cleaning. And I really, really appreciate you guys, and I wish that I could hug every single one of you, and I wish that I could do more giveaways, which is something that I do want to do, but like I said, I have to be responsible. So thank you. Seriously, you guys are allowing me to live my dream life, and you guys are helping me to live my dream life, so I really, really appreciate you. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the giveaway. Let me know down below if you are excited, or if you would maybe have any suggestions maybe for my next giveaway, or just something that you would like to see in a giveaway or a video request. I always want to hear video requests. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I will see you next time, and good luck. Before I go, I forgot to tell you, I'm going to be picking a winner totally at random. There's going to be no bias. Nothing you can do to sway me. If you message me or DM me, you will be disqualified. However, it's going to be totally random picking. That's it. So I love you guys forever. Have a good week. I'll see you next time.